Hello everyone, welcome back again. The lesson of this script you are going to study telling the time. This video or this lesson is talk about the telling the time 5 because the lesson of time is very long, so I create the video by video for you. The questions are how do we ask the time? How do we ask the time? อินแล้วพวกเขาจะถามเวลาได้แนวใดพวกเขาจะถามเวลาได้แนวใด Now you can see on the left hand way to ask for time or to make the question to ask the time when you would like to know exactly about the time. You don't have the time, don't have mobile phone, don't have reach, don't have clock like this, and then you would like to know. So how do we ask the time? Way to ask for time. This is in the picture, right on the left hand for you. What time is it? What was the time? Did you have the time like this, right? Are you ready? If you are ready, let us go and see the detail and practice together, make your understanding about this lesson and this video. Let's go. The answers, we can use some questions for asking the time. We can use some questions asking for the time. อินแล้วเขาสามารถใช้บางคำถามเพื่อถามเวลาได้เขาสามารถใช้บางคำถามเพื่อถามเวลาได้ Next first question or question 1 start from question 1 What time is it What time is it อินแล้วจักโมงแล้วจักโมงแล้ว Next see the question 2 that you take this question who ask what time that you don't know. So question number 2 what is the time What is the time อินแล้วจักโมงแล้วจักโมงแล้ว and then next continue to see question number 3 ask about the time Do you have the time Do you have the time อินแล้วจักโมงแล้วจักโมงแล้ว The same meaning but different how to pronounce how to ask question. Next question number 4 Do you know what time is it Do you know what time is it อินแล้ว is จักโมงแล้วจักโมงแล้ว Next let us see question number 5 Can you tell me what time is it please Can you tell me what time is it please อินแล้วจักโมงแล้วจักโมงแล้ว and you can see on the your left hand picture review the first one is was the time please the second what time is it please and next could you tell me the time please and the answer is like this next see question number 6 could you tell me the time please could you tell me the time please อินแล้วจักโมงแล้วจักโมงแล้ว and you can see on the right hand phrase and the questions the first excuse me did you have the time please second excuse me could you tell me the time please the third one the last one excuse me so what time is it please like this next let's see question number 7 do you happen to have the time do you happen to have the time อินแล้วจักโมงแล้วจักโมงแล้ว like this next let us see question number 8 Have you got the right time Have you got the right time อินแล้วจักโมงแล้วจักโมงแล้ว Next let us see question number 9 What time do you make it What time do you make it อินแล้วจักโมงแล้วจักโมงแล้ว You can see on your right hand some questions way to ask what time it is the first one so what time is it Next, could you tell me the time? Next, have you got the time? Was the time? What time did you make it? Let us see the answer. How to answer? Answering the questions. Answering the questions. อินแล้วการตอบคำถามการตอบคำถามเวลา Next, the question first. How do we say what time is? How do we say what time is? วิธีตอบว่าจักโมงวิธีตอบว่าจักโมง right next let's see the detail for each answer number 1 it is exactly 10:05 it is exactly 10:05 อีกแล้วความจริงแล้วแมน10โมงปลาย5นาทีความจริงแล้วแมน10โมงปลาย5นาที you can see from the picture next answer number 2 it is about 10 after 2 it is about 10 after 2มันแมน2โมงปลาย15นาที sorry มันแมน2โมงปลาย10นาทีมันแมน2โมงปลาย10นาที so sorry I tried so sorry there is no in Lao so sorry translate in Lao again please มันแมน2โมงปลาย10นาทีมันแมน2โมงปลาย10นาที that you can see from the picture both right and left hand next answer number 3 it is almost 1:30 it is almost 1:30 มันเกือบ1โมง30นาทีแล้วมันเกือบ1โมง30นาทีแล้วมันเกือบ1โมงครึ่งเลยดิ right next answer number 4 it is just gone 20 past it is just gone 20 past มันก็ผ่านไป20นาทีมันก็ผ่านไป20นาที next answer number 5 sir it is 3 o'clock sir it is 3 o'clock อีกแล้วได้ละบ่มันแม่น3โมงตรงแล้วได้ละบ่มันแม่น3โมงตรงแล้ว this is the way you answer who asked about the question ask about time next answer number 6 sorry I'm not wearing a watch sorry I'm not wearing a watch อีกแล้วขออภัยคอยบ่ได้ใส่หมวกขออภัยคอยบ่ได้ใส่หมวก there is no wristwatch on her wrist on her hand ready next she answered number 7 2:30 อีกแล้ว2โมง30นาที2โมง30นาที or you can say 2โมงครึ่งเลยดิ right it's very easy but less formal next answer number 8 it is 4:20 it is 4:20 อีกแล้วมันแม่น4โมงปลาย20นาทีมันแม่น4โมงปลาย20นาที right next C answer number 9 it is 10:10 it is 10:10 อีกแล้วมันแม่น10โมงปลาย10นาทีมันแม่น10โมงปลาย10นาที next answer number 10 the time is 8 o'clock the time is 8 o'clock อีกแล้วมันแม่น8โมงตรงมันแม่น8โมงตรง like picture you have seen now next answer next at a full hour o'clock at a full hours o'clock อีกแล้วเต็มชั่วโมง8โมงตรง8โมงเต็มชั่วโมง8โมงตรง8โมงเต็ม you can see from the picture on the left hand is 8 o'clock and you can see the right hand it is our hand and this minute hand and the small one and the long one is second hand you can see next o'clock is used at full hours o'clock is used at full hours อีกแล้วตรงแม่นใส่เต็มชั่วโมงตรงแม่นใส่เต็มชั่วโมง like you can see boy there point to 9 o'clock is full hour and on the left hand you can see the 1 o'clock 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock full hour next it means there are no minutes it means there are no minutes อีกแล้วมันหมายความว่าบ่มีนาทีมันหมายความว่าบ่มีนาที is full you can see on the left hand the clock it has the minute hand right this one hand our hand and there are second hand like this next the clock or wristwatch the clock or wristwatch อีกแล้วโมงแขวนฟ้าหรือโมงใส่แขน it is clock you can and it's a wristwatch like a โมงใส่แขน it is a โมงใส่แขน and how about this a โมงแขวนฟ้า next our hand our hand เข็มสมองเข็มสมอง you can see the red one and the red arrow point to the red our hand and the blue arrow our hand we do not talk about the red one for the left hand next minute hand minute hand เข็มนาทีเข็มนาที is a minute hand you can see is longer than our hand right next lesson next second hand second hand เข็มวินาทีเข็มวินาที you can see there on the right hand red one smooth second hand seconds hand like this here's the second right you can see the long one and small one so this video and this lesson break here see you the next video the next lesson thank you very much for all of you have to subscribe follow on YouTube page Facebook Messenger especially WhatsApp that I have sent to you encourage me create the new lesson create the new video record the new video thank you very much again